present gave you? Give it to Kaino. Look, he gave you bear. Bear. Pillow? See? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. He's trying to put a pillow underneath his... Oh, okay. He doesn't like pillows. Na na na. You're okay. Look, Cousin Noah goes night-night by himself. See? Look, watch Cousin. You're okay. Oh, careful. You're fine. Why won't you go nanay? Blanky? Blanky? Clothes. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Oh, nanay? No nanay? You were supposed to teach baby how to go nanay. He didn't learn. I guess we're just gonna play and skip the nap because Kainoa wouldn't learn from Cousin Noah how to take a nap, and I was hoping that he could teach him, and he was trying to. He gave him some teddy bears before I started filming, and he told him it's okay, and he's giving him a hug. Aww. So, yeah. Noah tried to teach baby. Oh, careful! Careful!
Gaga!